Hello YouTube, this is Brian from My Mac Tech, and today I am going to do my first video for this channel, and I thought that I'd start it out simple with doing a what's in my dock video. So let's get started. Over here we have Finder. Finder comes on every Mac, and it's like an Explorer, like from Windows and Explorer window. It just lets you search stuff on your Mac. Dashboard is like widgets that pop up. That it's like a calculator or a clock or a translator. Safari is the default web browser for Macs, which I prefer to use. Then there's Google Chrome, which is pretty fast. It's not the fastest web browser, but that's what they claim to say. It's pretty fast. And it doesn't seem to want to quit now. Right. Firefox is what I use for like safe browsing if there's like a website that I know has a virus, but I still need to get to it. Mail is the mail application that comes standard on every Mac. I use it a lot because I don't like going on the internet to check my mail. Address book is what its name basically is. It's an address book. iChat is like a instant messaging client thing. And Facebook, YouTube, Netflix, and the Hulu app thing. These are all like web pages that there's an app called Fluid that it makes like a web page like an app for your home screen. Like this, like the Hulu one, it lets you watch like the it actually lets you watch the videos right in the browser thing app. Next is Skype. It's a VoIP application, and I'm just using this force quit window to cover up my stuff because I don't like people seeing my contacts or anything. Yeah, so Skype just lets you make like internet calls to other people or video chats. Photoshop Elements is from Adobe. It's like the cheap version of actual Photoshop, which I don't need it anymore, but it's still there. iPhoto is the default. Well, it comes in iLife, but iLife comes on every Mac, and it's the default photo app that like when you import photos, it goes into there. Apperture is a photo editing thing, which I'm not gonna open up because it takes a while. iTunes is the music thing for Mac, where you buy apps, you buy music and stuff. You can download it off Apple for Windows and Mac. Final Cut Express is a Apple app that you have to buy. I don't know the price of it, but I use it because my iMovie doesn't work, but I really don't need it anymore because I have the full Adobe CS5 master collection now, so I don't need it anymore. LiveType comes with Final Cut. It's basically like the text thing, so you can make text effects and put it in Final Cut. GarageBand is the music app for Mac that comes in iLife. iCal is a calendars app I don't use a lot, but it gets the job done. System preferences is where you change. It's like control panel on Windows. It's where you change your preferences around. VMware Fusion is a virtual machine app that lets you run virtual machines. This is my Windows 7 virtual machine that I use for my Windows needs. I only have one on here right now because I deleted my other one because it wasn't working right. Friendz is a Xbox Live thing. It shows who's online, how many messages you have, stuff like that. I'm just using the force quit window thing to cover up my gamer tag, but yeah, it just shows who's online. Then Evernote is a note app that syncs up with your devices like Android device, iPod, iPhone. It's useful. I don't really use it that much. uTorrent is a torrent app that lets you download BitTorrent files. Yeah. And Minecraft is a game that you probably have already heard of, but I don't play it anymore because I'm pretty much done with it. I got bored of playing it. Apperture is an app that like you could freeze an app in its process of processing or whatever you want to say that it does. So like I froze Safari, so right now it's not using up any CPU. Then I have OnLive, which is an online gaming system thing where you make an account, sign up. If you want to buy the full games, you actually have to pay for the games. But they have like trials on the thing if you want to play those games. Yeah. And then I have Idle, which is a Python editor. Python is a scripting language, and then I have Virtual DJ. Virtual DJ is an application that lets you mix music and scratch and stuff like that. Bamboo Dock is something for my Wacom Bamboo tablet. It's pretty cool. It lets you play games. It's like its name describes what it is. Yeah. Invedit is for Minecraft. Oh yeah, this is the bamboo thing. You just like draw to open. You can draw whatever you want to do it, and then there's like applications for it, like my Photoshop things. And then let me just alright. Invedit is for Minecraft. It lets you put stuff in your inventory, so it's like you don't have to actually do any work for it. ScreenFlow is what I'm using to record this right now. Sorry for I just stuttered, but ScreenFlow is what I'm using to record this video. VLC is a video player. I changed the icon for it, but it's a video media player thing that could play any file type that you could think of, except like Windows. I don't think it plays Windows things on the Mac. And then AppFresh is an application that lets you keep all your apps up to date because it shows you all like the updates and everything. iWork 08 is the iWork suite that Apple makes. I have it on here because I used to use it, but now I use Microsoft Office 2011 because it's a lot easier for school. Documents, downloads, and then trash. Thank you for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.